In this video, I'm going to explain how to fix not enough liquidity in Trust Wallet. So in case you're getting this error, here's the easiest way to fix it. Now, the first and by far the easiest and quickest way to do it is just by reducing your trade size. So this is the most straightforward way, and basically what you have to do is you just want to reduce your trade size. So whatever you're trying to trade, basically just make it smaller. So if it's like 5K, make it 2K. If it's $100, make it $80 or something like that. Okay, so basically usually you'll have to reduce the trade size significantly to actually avoid losing too much value to slippage, and it's pretty simple to do. So as you could know, basically if you're trying to just trade something, you want to just like type it in. Example, if you want to do 100 and you can do that, you can just do like 50 and then see what happens. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. Now the second thing you can do, you can also change your slippage. Now if you increase your slippage tolerance settings, sometimes this may actually help you with the transaction and it will go through. So at the bottom, when you're trying to do like a swap, it says slippage tolerance. Click on that, and over here you can then adjust that. So we can go from 0.1% to 2.5% or do a custom. However, usually increasing your slippage tolerance setting will help you go through with the transaction. If you put it lower than it was before when it didn't work, this will not fix the issue. So those are the two ways you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.